Hello everyone, this is Mark. In our previous video we discussed the importance of cleaning procedures from unnecessary information and validating documents before release. In this and the following video I will walk you through our document change record or DCR process to clean up and validate new or revised documents. Stay with me, at the end I will show you a link to this DCR template. Our DCR process includes 8 steps. Identification of the record. Reason for the change. Waste management. Duplicates check. Document validation record. Training requirements. Form verification and approval. And DCR filing. First, we assign the DCR number, record the document title, and revisions from and to. The DCR number comes from the Business Management System Structure or BMS. We will talk about the BMS in the following videos, but in short, it is a network folder where an organization keeps all. I emphasize all, its management system documents and records. So, our sample record is DCR 230310-1. We use this record name convention, year, month, day sequential number for the day for each of our records, DCRs, corrective actions, purchase orders, and others. The following line identifies the document title that we are going to change. And the revision from and to. We plan to revise the Management Review PowerPoint template from revision R01 to R02 in this example. The following line is the reason for the change, which is adding a missing topic in the Management Review template. You can select correction, improvement, or validation in the drop-down menu. Not many companies identify the reason, but it is essential to know what % of changes are due to previous mistakes. I have seen corrections percentages in DCRs as high as 30%, with anybody's guess what this rework cost the company. Now, if we classify the change as a correction, it means there was a mistake or a non-conformity. This is why I recommend documenting corrections as non-conformities to understand their root causes. Non-conformities are good stuff. They help you to learn from previous mistakes if you document them, of course. We get the non-conformity number from our BMS structure, similar to the DCR number. Now is the time to ensure our new or revised document is clear and concise. This table lists the company's typical deficiencies in its procedures. They may include: not the current revision of the document template, spelling and grammatical errors, duplicate information, lack of validation, and others. You can modify the table as you wish to address your company's usual deficiencies in documents. As in the previous section, you can select the status of each category with the drop-down menus. After completing the waste table, we may find that, for whatever reason, some categories may not align with the waste filter's requirements. This section in the DCR serves as a justification of why this or that category, otherwise unacceptable, is permissible in this particular document. In our example, there were no deviations from the requirements, which we documented in this section. The following part intends to check for duplicate requirements in the system. For example, how often can you see the Management Review template requiring an evaluation of the status of internal audits and, at the same time, read in the audit procedure a requirement to submit the results to the Management Review? I do not know what about you, but I see it daily in my practice. This section invites you to search for the keywords throughout your procedures to see if there are any duplications. Let's summarize our discussion today. All corrections are the result of previous nonconformities. Investigate and trend the root causes of such nonconformities. Create your company's waste filter to release your procedures straightforward and concise. Check for duplications. This is all for today, folks. In the following video, we will talk about validating changes to documents. As I promised in the beginning, here is your link to our DCR form. Go to the Academy page on our website and see how our templates can help your company to lean up your documentation. Feel free to comment below or drop me a line if you have better experiences with DCR processes. Thank you for subscribing, likes, sharing, and comments. Your support helps us promote our Lean QMS project. To learn more about Lean ISO management systems, check out my book, The Lean Revolution. Thanks for joining me today and stay tuned for the following videos. I hope to see you then.